So I've hit it with the 3000 grit. I'm actually about to go and get the compound, so be right back. Okay, we're back. So this says, all the neighbors passing by slow. This is crazy. So it says, dispense a small amount of product onto a soft, clean microfiber terry cloth, suitable applicator, or onto the center of the Powerball lights tool. Powerball for lights tool. So you want to open it? Oh, it's already open. Pull this out. Step 2 is polish thoroughly in a small overlapping circular motions until the entire lens is clean and clear, adding polish as needed. Allow polish to dry and then buff with a soft, clean microfiber terry cloth towel. Turn the towel frequently. Heavily stained or soiled areas may require additional applications. Alright, so put this stuff right in the center here. Oh, there it goes. It's stuck. Alright. Let's do this now. We're at 91% now. That looks great. That looks great. So let me get a clean terry cloth Be right back. All right, I'm back. So I think it's dry. Oh yeah. Take a clean terry cloth. Look at that. Not bad at all. That really does look very clear. Let's take a look. Look at this. Look at the clarity. That is not bad. You can still see some cracks on this side here, but that is way better than the yellow that you saw earlier. Very cool, guys. Here's the other part that is not. I hit this with 3,000 but no polish. 3,000 but no polish. All right, so let me get back to work on the other side now. I'm gonna hit it with the 3,000 again on that side. Take that off. I'm gonna do 3,000. 3,000 in water. Since I have like a whole lot of battery power, the Jackery is really good. I'm gonna do 3,000, and let me get some water. I figured that I don't need a lot of water. I just need enough from my bag there. So from my rag, I mean. So let's do this. How does that look? To me, that looks beautiful. All right, so let me not dilute it with any water. So let me wipe this dry. How does that look? Both had 3,000, but now let's get a snapshot before polish and after. Let's look at this. Get a snapshot of that. Yeah, before polish and after. All right, let's do this.